Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of two high-end cards that cater to luxury, travel and high spenders, the Axis Bank Magnus and the ICICI Emerald Private Metal Credit Card. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a luxury shopper, or someone looking for the ultimate convenience and concierge support, this video will help you understand which of these cards, if either, is the right fit for you in 2025. So let's get started. We start with the Axis Magnus credit card. It is Axis Bank's flagship offering for affluent customers. It's designed for those who travel frequently, spend big, and want access to rewards, airport lounges, concierge services, and curated luxury experiences. It's available in two versions, the regular Axis Magnus and the Magnus for Burgundy private clients, which comes with some additional perks, especially in travel reward redemptions and airport services. On the other hand, there's the ICICI Emerald Private Metal Credit Card. It is ICICI Bank's elite invite-only card, aimed at ultra-high net worth individuals. It's a newer version of the older Emerald card, but now housed in a sleek metal body, and it's more even exclusive. This card is reserved for those with extremely high income profiles. The benefits are tailored to global travelers and lifestyle seekers who want convenience, cashback, and VIP treatment, all in one package. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. First, the Axis Magnus card. You get a welcome benefit of either 12,500 rupees, and you choose it in either a Lux gift card or the Postcard Hotels gift voucher or Yatra gift voucher. With this card, you get international lounge access, unlimited complimentary international lounge visits, and 4 additional guest visits per year with Priority Pass card. You also enjoy unlimited visits to select airport lounges in India, that's the domestic lounge access, and exclusive offers at International Oberoi and Trident hotels. With lifestyle and entertainment, you enjoy up to 30% discount at over 4,000 restaurants across India. There are insurance benefits for health and wellness. With this, you can stay protected with their purchase protection, loss card liability programs, and lots more. Now let us talk briefly about the rewards programs. You earn 12 Edge reward points per 200 rupees that is spent on 1.5 lakhs, and you earn 35 Edge reward points per 200 rupees on incremental spends that are above 1.5 lakhs in a calendar month. If you spend via Travel Edge, you also earn 5 times reward points, and you also earn 2 partner miles for every 5 Edge reward points across 20 travel partners. For fees and charges, there is lowered interest rate of 3% on extended credits and a reduced markup fee of 2% on foreign transactions. It is interesting to know that there are no cash withdrawal fees. How about the ICICI Emerald Private Credit Card? This card is best for outstanding luxury rewards like unlimited airport lounge access, unlimited complimentary golf rounds, Easy Diner Prime membership, and Taj Epicure membership. When you join with this card, you get Taj Epicure Plus membership, Easy Diner membership, and 12,500 reward points. You also get unlimited golf rounds every month, so if you're a golf lover, this might interest you. Unlimited international airport lounge access for both primary and plus card members, and unlimited domestic airport lounge access for both primary and plus card members. You get up to 750 rupees discount off on movies, concerts, and events, and you get vouchers that are worth up to 6,000 rupees. 2 Ease My Trip vouchers on annual spend of up to 8 lakhs. There's a 24/7 concierge service. And interesting to know that when you book hotels or domestic flights and you decide to cancel and your booking is up to 12,000 rupees, there will be no cancellation charges. And you also get dining discounts with culinary treats program. They also have a reward points. You can earn points on every 200 rupees spent. Points on utilities, grocery, education, and insurance payments. And you also redeem reward points for health and beauty, for travel and luggage, shopping vouchers, fashion and lifestyle, home appliances, and electronics. The Forex markup fee is also low, 2%. Having considered all this, let us talk briefly about the pricing. For the Axis Magnus card, it has an annual fee of 12,500 rupees. But if you're able to spend up to 25 lakhs in the preceding year, subsequently you will get the fees waived off for the year. And when you pay 12,500 rupees as the annual fee, you also expect to get a welcome bonus worth 12,500 rupees in either gift cards or hotel gift voucher. And for the ICICI Emerald Private Metal Card, the annual fee is also 12,500 rupees plus GST. And if you're able to spend over 10 lakh, you can get your annual fee waived off for the next year. The pricing are the same, isn't it? Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using both cards. We start with the pros. For Axis Magnus, excellent point earning on high monthly spends, superior travel transfer partners, and access to premium lounges and concierge services. And the pros of the ICICI Emerald Private Metal? Simple flat reward systems, unlimited lounge access for both primary and supplementary cards, and there are strong lifestyle perks on this one. How about the cons? For Axis Magnus, high spending requirements for fee waiver and lounge access, and certain categories do not earn rewards on this one. And for the Emerald Private Metal Card, the spending requirements for fee waiver and lounge access is also high, although not as high as the Axis Magnus card. And some may find the benefits for this one limited to domestic brands and platforms. Having considered all this, which one should you go for in 2025? Here's a summary. Go for Axis Magnus if you are a high spending travel buff, especially if you're a Burgundy client and you love maximizing airline miles. But I'd say choose ICICI Emerald Metal if you value simplicity, elegance, and all-in-one lifestyle perks, and if you meet the eligibility to receive an invite. And that's it on the comparison between the Axis Magnus and the Emerald card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore HDFC Infinia, Axis Reserve Credit Card, and SBI Card Elite. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.